Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly unique and exciting to talk about. The Magnetize-It Magnetic Paint and Primer. If you're looking for the best magnetic chalkboard paint on the market, you've come to the right place. Just look at this amazing product. It's perfect for transforming any surface into a magnetic wonderland. Whether you want to create a magnetic wall in your kid's bedroom, office, or kitchen, this paint has got you covered. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make Magnetize-It stand out from the crowd. Yes, you heard that right. With Magnetize-It, you can attach all your favorite items using magnets. Whether it's your child's artwork, magnetic letters, posters, documents, reminders, or postcards. Want to display your favorite memories in style? Magnetize-It lets you create magnetic photo gallery displays effortlessly. You can easily top-coat this magnetic paint with any color paint or chalkboard paint to match your decor. It's optional but adds a fantastic finishing touch. This magnetic paint works on various surfaces like wood, metal, masonry, drywall, and plaster, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Rest easy knowing that Magnetize-It complies with all safety standards, so it's safe to use in your home. Now, you might be wondering about the pricing. Magnetize-It offers excellent value for your money. You can grab a 32-ounce can for just $20.22, which comes down to only 63 cents per ounce. Plus, there's free shipping on eligible purchases. But that's not all. Magnetize-It offers a range of accessories to enhance your magnetic experience. Check out these Magnetize-It neodymium magnets in various shapes and sizes. They're perfect for hanging your items securely. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Many customers have praised Magnetize-It for its effectiveness. It's worth noting that some users recommended using stronger magnets for heavier items, like rare earth magnets. Applying Magnetize-It is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. Paint your desired surface with Magnetize-It. Magnetic paint and primer. Optionally, top coat with your preferred color or chalkboard paint. Attach photos, artwork, notes, and more using magnets. It's that easy. The paint itself is water-based, and it comes in a beautiful gray color with an eggshell finish. It's available in a 32-ounce can, perfect for most projects. The paint adheres well to surfaces like masonry, metal, and wood. Before we wrap things up, let's take a look at some customer reviews. Magnetize-It has received a 3.8 out of 5-star rating from over 659 customers. Many have found it to be a convenient solution for their magnetic needs, though some recommend applying multiple coats for stronger magnetism. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best magnetic chalkboard paint, Magnetize-It is a fantastic choice. It's versatile, easy to apply, and opens up a world of possibilities for your home or office. Plus, it's an affordable solution for adding that magnetic touch to your space. That's all for today's product critique. If you've used Magnetize-It, or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.